So I'm sitting down here in the floor of the living room, and I am on a little roll for unboxing some boxes that have been sitting around in my dining room for a while. So today, I'm actually filming this on Tuesday because I'm feeling pretty good after, trying to recover from surgery. But today I have a Grove box, and if you can see, this one is all nice and dry and it's not wrapped in plastic because something spilled. So hopefully that's a good sign today. Alright, I love that whoever packages my box, I forget what her name is. Cat, maybe? I can't remember. But anyways, it says thank you, Miranda. Oh, it did the last time too. And the tape is super cute on the box. And to be honest, I don't really remember what exactly I ordered. I should have a multi-surface cleaner in here because that was what was ruined on my other box last month. So they usually do, and the last one was too, it's always packaged really good. Nothing else was ruined in that last box that had all that stuff that leaked out. So, first off, I have 66 load Method laundry detergent. And if you don't know, Grove is really good about if you see something at Target or you have a coupon for any of the products that you're going to order, they will match, price match. So that's good. But this one is Beach Sage, and it is high efficiency. It's good for high efficiency washer, so that's good. And it's a 3-in-1 cleaning power. Stain lifter, color booster, and fragrance that last. So I don't know if I get a little thing in here that tells me. I think this month I might have spent around $26 maybe. I can't exactly remember. So I also got some Method all-purpose pink grapefruit cleaning wipes. I cannot wait to get in and be able to deep clean my house. Mike's done pretty good keeping up with stuff, and they keep the kitchen clean, which is nice. But it does smell like grapefruit, so got some of those wipes. They stuck a summer catalog in here that tells you some of their new summer stuff. I got a mint and argan lip balm and hydrating chia seed oil. I think I got this for free, actually. I don't think I paid for this. That's pretty. It's like the shape of a lighter, which is funny. Mike does like chapstick, so he might like this. It smells good though. It smells minty. I'll give this to him and see if he likes it. See if he thinks it's any better, which he's one of those people that he's I think he gets a little freaked out when the Grove box comes. But it's I'm it's stuff that I'm already gonna order anyway, so it's not really a big deal. Okay, so I also got some 7th generation dishwasher detergent packs. I'm going to have to look under my sink because I got some last month too. So now that there's only 3 of us living in the house, I might need to skip a month on these. But, it's just something that is automatically in my basket. And then they did send my new peony scent MultiSurface. And they put the thing on it. So, looks like it's closed all the way. So good. I want to know what it smells like though. I think I have the citrus and lemongrass one right now, and it smells so good. It smells very summery. It's got a good summer scent. So there's that. I really do love their multi-surface cleaner. And then this is hand sanitizer gel in blood orange. I have another hand sanitizer that I keep in my office bathroom that's downstairs because it doesn't have a sink in it. If you don't know, my house was built in 1900, so I only have one full bathroom, which right now it's not going to matter because there's only 3 of us living here. But so it only I think it used to be like maybe a phone closet back in the day, maybe, because it does have a phone jack in it on the wall. So that's kind of odd. But anyways, it only has a toilet in it. So I keep hand sanitizer in there. Right now I have the spray kind, and it's a little bit hard to use. Just because if you can imagine trying to spray and then spray, you know. But let's see what it smells like. I'm going to have like a whole plethora of scents, you know. Smells good. Smells like oranges. So anyway, so that's why I ordered this, because I like to keep hand sanitizer in the downstairs bathroom that doesn't have a sink. So, and it's with moisturizing coconut oil. I think I got too much, but we'll see if it takes makeup off from the last box I unboxed. Alright, so anyways, I didn't get too much stuff this month, but that is what I got in my Grove Collaborative box. So I will leave a link down in the description below if you want to try Grove for yourself. I hope that you will. Alright, I hope everybody has a great fantabulous, dandy, and fantastic day. Do not forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video.